Hello guys, the girl IJ. I'm making waffles for breakfast. So this are the ingredients I'm going to need for the waffle recipe. Okay. So first of all, I have to melt my butter in the microwave. So this is what I just do. It's a quick recipe to get one from the store, and the kids love waffles. Okay. So what I do is I melt the butter, then I crack 2 eggs in the mix. So I just go ahead and put all the recipe into it. So I'm going to measure 2 cups of flour. Measure 2 cups of flour. Yeah. You should get a measuring cup. You can get from any store. I think I got this from Bagay. So measure 2 cups. Then we'll go ahead and put a pinch of salt. To balance, so it won't be too sugary. Then the next thing, baking powder. I get my used to got this from Lidl. Please don't copy me. I do not do measurement. I just do as the spirit leads. Put it and the spirit has told me not to put more, so that's okay. Then I put cinnamon powder. Next, my sugar. I use my measuring cup again. So this is just a quick recipe. If your children love waffles, this is what you just do very in the morning. Just put everything in the mix together. Then I'm going to measure 2 cups of milk, full cream. 2 cups. Yeah. So I just mix it all together, and that's all. It's not really hard to make. Some people prefer the store-bought type, but if I do not have the chance to get it, I just make mine. Okay, so I just get so this is breakfast. Certain texture. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like once you're done mixing. So I'm going to show you. Yes, this is the consistency you want. This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, exactly. So while I'm doing that, yeah, you can use chocolate chips, okay, to just add to it. Then by then I'm getting my getting it hot. Okay, my waffle machine, I'm getting it hot. So I have to spray on it first before I'm putting the mixture. Okay. So this is the first set. The first set I didn't put chocolate chip because this was for me. So this is mine. So no chocolate chip was added. Just want to show you that I use this as a spoon. Just spread it over. And put as much as you can. This is what I used. It really doesn't take time. Just give it like, let's say 2 minutes. It's ready. Voila. So now I'm adding the chocolate chips for my kids. They love it this way. So I give it a good mix, then go again. Okay. You have to spray it anyways. Make sure that I need to spray it. So it's ready. The kids' chocolate chips is ready. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have a lovely day. Bye.